This is a switch repair demonstration for 4-gallon Shop Vac Model E87S450. I strongly recommend taking pictures in order to ensure that you reassemble your Shop Vac correctly. I was using my Shop Vac at home, and when I attempted to shut it off by pressing the off button, I felt the switch break. The Shop Vac stayed on and worked just fine, but the only way that I could turn it on or off was to plug it in or out of the wall socket. What actually happened was the wingtip adapter, circled in blue, on top of the switch broke after years of use, and that is the reason why the Shop Vac was stuck in the on position and could only be turned off by unplugging the cord from the outlet. Fortunately, the actual switch underneath was just fine and didn't need to be replaced. So in order to repair my Shop Vac, all that I needed to do was replace the broken winged adapter on top of the switch. Equipment list: an impact driver, small pliers, tweezers, a screw container, a bit extension, a Torx 25 bit, a small bungee cord, rubber gloves, and a replacement wing tip adapter, which I found and purchased a 2-pack on eBay for under $20 with the item name 3D printed winged adapter. Step 1. Unplug the Shop Vac from any outlet and bind the cord to make sure that it's not plugged in. Step 2. Remove the bottom tank assembly, flip it to rest on the top of the motor cover assembly, and then remove the filter. This is a picture of the bottom of the lid cage and latch assembly. Circled are the 10 screw locations that will need to be removed with a Torx 25 bit for step 3. Step 3. Remove the screws from the lid cage and latch assembly, and then place the screws in the plastic container. Step 4. Remove the lid cage and latch assembly and the ball float. Step 5. The power unit assembly is no longer attached to the motor cover assembly and can be separated by pulling them apart. Make sure to rest the power unit assembly on the bottom to ensure that the fragile switch does not get damaged. Step 6. Before inserting the replacement wingtip adapter, inspect the switch to make sure that it works, and remove any remaining pieces of the broken adapter with the pliers or tweezers. Step 7. Carefully insert the replacement winged tip adapter into the switch. Final step 8. Carefully place the motor cover assembly on top of the wing tip adapter switch and conduct a test to make sure that it works prior to reassembly. This concludes the demonstration. If you found this information to be useful or helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you.